Hi, and welcome to this short tips and tricks video featuring the possibility to add your own CSV file to your shopping cart. Start your local Belimo website and log into your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in as it says welcome, name, and my account. There are two possibilities how you can add products from a CSV file to the shopping cart. If there is no product in your shopping cart, you can proceed as follows. Click on Shopping Cart and a pop-up window will appear. Then select Import from CSV. We land on the page Import Saved Cart Project List, where further instructions are listed on how to create a CSV file. Click on Select File. A window appears in which you can search for your file on your own drive. Double-click or just click Open to download the file. You can see it is ready for import here. Click on Import to start the import process. You will see a blue area here that shows if the import has been successful and if it is completed. You also see in the shopping cart that you have 3 items. Clicking on the shopping cart symbol opens a pop-up window with a quick view of the products in the shopping cart. If you hit View Cart, you get to the actual cart. This window shows the complete selection of imported files in the same manner they would if you had added them normally from the web shop. If the shopping cart already has products and they need to be supplemented with products from a CSV file, this can also be done directly from the shopping cart. Click on Actions and in the shopping cart view, whereupon a pop-up window appears. Here you click on Cart Project List from CSV under Import, and we end up on the same page, Import Saved Cart Project List, as we did before. Click on Select File and a window opens. You can choose your file on your own drive. Either double-click or click on Open to download the file. You will see it here over Change File. Click Import to import the file. The light blue box here will show if the file has been uploaded and if the upload is complete. You will see that the shopping cart symbol has more products. Clicking on the symbol opens up a pop-up window with a quick view of all the products. Via this window, you can also switch directly to the shopping cart. This window shows the complete selection of both imported files exactly in the same manner as they would if you had added them normally from the web shop. To empty the shopping cart, scroll to the bottom and click on Empty Cart, Close Project. This concludes our short tips and tricks video featuring the possibility to add your own CSV file to your shopping cart. Thank you for your attention. Be well and stay healthy.